Ni kigomano kia maseneta kiria kirathii nambere mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Waiguru na kiria kinyio ni arugamiriri a honge itiganite thirikari nene na cia kaunti.
Thank you very much.
Hindi ya giikaro giki Muikariri wa kanju ya mangabana noria nowe gavana wa Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru ni arungite ciigie kigina kiria kigayagirwo thirikari cia kaunti ageikia Ritana ria kuhika mihang'o ya kuongerera kigina giki.
Country can achieve any meaningful economic growth if devolution doesn't work as it was meant to in the constitution.
Kuringana na gicunje kia 232 gia gatiba, thirikari cia kaunti itibatie kwamukira thi wa gicunje gia 15 gia kigina kuma thirikari nene no kanju ya magavana ikoretwo igithingiriria kigina giki kiongererwo.
For a review so that there is an increase in the allocation of revenue to the counties from the current about 14.6% to 35 or so to enable counties to perform their functions as required.
Oho Waiguru ni ahinyiriirie kuhikwo kwa mihang'o yoneani wa mahinya na mawira maria mafatie gukorwo kaunti-ini kuma thirikari nene.
People and the citizens don't care who actually brings that service. What they want is to make sure that they can get their services and closest possible to where they are, whether it is water, whether it is health, whether it is matters to do with the environment. They want to make sure that those services are right where they are.
Ihinda-ini riu Ritana ria urutithania wa wira gatagati ka magavana na senators ni reiketio.
We are here to discuss on how to ensure that we actually achieve that mandate that has been given to us by Wanjiko.
Girifotera Kameme TV mohoro gitau ritwa riakwa ni Nyongerera wa Kamau.